Welcome to Just Drive. We at Just Drive have been known to bring anything and everything that has wheels on this show. Literally पाकिस्तान में वो हर चीज़ जिसमें टायर लगे हुए हमारे शो पे आ चुकी है. एक कहावत है कि size doesn't matter. उसकी perfect example आज हमारे साथ इस शो पे है. The car standing with me is a very small looking, very cute looking Honda Beat. 92 का ये मॉडल है. ये जितनी छोटी लगती है लगता है इसमें कुछ काम नहीं होगा, लेकिन इसमें एक्चुअली काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं जो कि नॉर्मल गाड़ी से बहुत डिफरेंट है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस कार वाज ओनली मेड फॉर 3 years. 3 साल के लिए प्रोडक्शन में आई थी एंड फिर ये बंद हो गई थी. दिस वाज द ओनर वाज टेलिंग मी दैट दिस वाज लाइक अ प्रोटोटाइप एंड दे एक्चुअली ब्रॉट इन प्रोडक्शन. और गाड़ी आई डोंट नो, एटलीस्ट पाकिस्तान में आई सी काफ़ी हिट हुई है. लोगों ने काफ़ी शौक से रखी है. मे बिकॉज इट्स सो स्मॉल एंड क्यूट एंड यू नो considering the traffic it really helps. What I'm going to do is not go into the details and call the owner here and we'll speak to him. He's standing right here. He's none other than our very old rally friend and a very Just Drive loyalist. So he's here. Ghazan Farag aa jaye. Assalamualaikum. कैसे हैं?
Very good.
So for those of you, I'm sure all of you, in fact, जिन लोगों ने रैलीज देखी हैं, गजनफर आगा को जानते होंगे. Okay, so Ghazanfar bhai, to start with, why a Honda Beat?
I needed a red convertible like Pronto. I've had one for the last 10 years. A friend of mine took my Miata away. Middle of the night I called our secretary of MCP and I told him I need a red convertible right now. The kids go to school in it in the morning. So this is what he dug out for me. I bought this car at 3:30 in the morning, not really knowing what I'm getting into. Next morning I went on the net and started researching. And it turned out to be one of the best acquisitions ever. Unbelievable acquisition.
Okay, sitting inside the Honda Beat, which is a 660cc. It's a 92 model. It's a very small, cute looking car. Detail में चलते हैं. Let's go into the background and the history. What do you know about this car?
Honda Beat was made in the mid-90s. There were about 30,000 pieces made. It was more like a trial run for Honda's F1 technology.
Okay.
This car is mid-engine. Mid-engine means the engine's not here. It's not in the boot. It's perfectly placed behind the seats for optimum handling and optimum efficiencies as far as turnover is considered. It has a V-Trek, which is a variable throttle body of the F1 technology.
Okay.
So although it's a 660, it churns out power of something like a 1.1, 1.2 liter engine.
Wow.
It easily takes on a 1.3, that's for sure. Then because of the handling, you could actually put on racing tires and you can do stuff with it, which helps a lot. This is designed by Pininfarina. Pininfarina is one of the most famous designers for Italian sports cars. All the Ferraris and the Lambos are designed by Pininfarina. So Pininfarina designed this. They pulled out the F1 technology. They put the engine behind the seats and they said, go have fun.
Gears कितने?
It's 5 speed, of course.
5 speed. So 5 speed, 8.5 is red line and 140 is the speed. I think it's gonna ये क्या 5th gear apply भी नहीं करती होगी.
नहीं. By the time you hit 5th, it's meter down. Then you keep going.
Yeah. But does it stop there or does it keep going?
The meter stops. The car just keeps pulling away. You can actually feel
कि ज़्यादा हो गई है.
You can feel it pulling away.
Yeah.
And it's fun.
सस्पेंशन के लोगों को पता होता है ना कि भाई एक स्पोर्ट्स कार है और वो लो है और वो मतलब लगता है कि नीचे से लगेगी, तो सस्पेंशन का क्या
लगती कहीं से भी नहीं नीचे से.
अच्छा.
मेरी जो one of the primary reasons I got this car is my other sports car is an exotic, so I can't take that everywhere. This car I can take everywhere and it's never grounded ever. It's never bottomed at it.
Have you ever thought about like off-roading in this?
Not yet.
Not yet? No, because I've seen somebody I don't know, maybe it was a video or whatever it was. I've seen this car run on the beach like a beach buggy.
It can run on the beach. I won't be surprised. On beaches like where there's hard sand, I don't think it's going to have too much of a problem. I can't wreck cars. I don't have the heart to wreck cars. So I probably won't be doing that.
Great. मतलब जान है गाड़ी में, ये नहीं है कि जान नहीं है. ये कहूँगा तो गलत कहूँगा, लेकिन गाड़ी में जान है. That's the best part about it. ये एक बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग सी चीज़ है. यहाँ पे अक्सर हम लोग जो है बनवा तो लेते हैं, लेकिन हमें इसका पर्पस नहीं पता होता. तो Ghazanfar is going to tell you what actually ये इसका तो इंजन मेट है ना. यहाँ पे इंजन है ना, यहाँ इंजन है ना, वहाँ इंजन है, यहाँ पे इंजन है. तो इसके लिए ये लगे हुए हैं वेंट्स जो हैं. और वेंट्स क्यों लगे हुए हैं?
These are the cooling vents. इंजन जो है चूँकि सीट के पीछे है, आगे से रेडिएटर हवा लेके इंजन को कूल नहीं करता है, the radiator cooling is from here. Everything goes in from here. And this is one of the most beautiful parts of a car. All the Lamborghinis and the Ferraris that you see, all the exotics, the McLarens and whatever you see, they're all going to be mid-engine. They're going to have fins on the side for engine cooling, and they'll be rear-wheel drive. And they'll probably be designed by Pininfarina. So this probably costs lesser than the alloys for any one of those cars.
You know, so what I'm thinking is that maybe this is Pininfarina's signature design. You know, कि वो engine बीच में होता है, side में.
It is the stock layout for an exotic, classic, traditional sports car.
ठीक है. अच्छा, मैं while we were talking मैंने सोचा कि इसका जो बहुत ज़रूरी चीज़ है वो ये है कि what would you compare this car to in Pakistan? किससे compare किया जाएगा इसमें?
There is no other mid-engine option. You can compare to some regular traditional front end. There is Suzuki Cappuccino, which is another small, soft convertible.
Same engine size, I think.
Similar engine size. So you can compare it to a Cappuccino.
What about the MX-5 or something?
The Miata? I had a Miata before this, and the Miata is 1600cc. And so it's a 1600cc, so it's one notch above this. But the Miata is a different machine. This is a different machine. The Miata is more classic, traditional. This is more fun. The Miata is front engine. This is rear engine. The Miata is, the Miata was known as a ladies' machine. It's the highest selling sport convertible ever. Whereas this is more manual and high RPMs.
So you spoke about the ladies' machine. What do you have to say? Some people think that this car is for ladies. Even this one, standing right here.
They're all welcome.
Yeah,
that's all I can say.
If they sit with you or if they take it away from you?
They ain't taking it away. That's for sure.
So they can sit with you. That's okay.
They can sit with me. Yes, cool. They can.
So every girl watching today, Gazanfar Agha की जो है ना वो एक open invitation है कि अगर आपको beat में drive चाहिए तो please आगे बैठे.
The reason why I'm talking like this is because I can't hear myself. There's too much wind and like the car is going like this. देखिए funny चीज़ यही है कि गाड़ी क्योंकि छोटी है, it's very it has to fight the air, the pressure of the air. ये गाड़ी झोल रही है साथ-साथ. So I don't know if you can really drive it very fast. I'm just going on an 80. What I have to mention is that the car is very cute and I love driving the car because despite the stability on the road, it's fun, it's powerful.
Kathirbai, coming to the back of the car, sides में अच्छा they haven't really given in कोई side skirts नहीं दिए हुए. By the way, road clearance की हम बात कर रहे थे तो अभी चेक करें जरा. मैं ख्याल से मैं नीचे घुस सकता हूँ उसके, आराम से लेट सकता हूँ, कोई टेंशन नहीं है. तो काफ़ी रोड क्लियरेंस है ना, कोई एक्सटेंड्स नहीं दिए हुए, फ्रंट एक्सटेंड्स नहीं है. लाइक इट्स वेरी सिंपल लुकिंग. लाइक आई सेड इट्स वेरी सिंपल. कोई साइंस नहीं लगाई गई इस गाड़ी में, बहुत सिंपली बनाया हुआ है. लेट्स कम टू द बैक. अच्छा, अभी हमने बात की है कि इंजन इसका मिड साइज है, तो पीछे और आगे क्या है?
आगे स्पेयर व्हील है, टूलकिट है. There's some place to keep some stuff.
Let's open it and see. वाओ, अब ये देखें कि आगे भी रखने की चीज़ है, जगह है, एंड पीछे भी. Why don't you come here? जिसका इंजन बैक में होता है, लाइक डिग्गी में होता है, तो उसका ब्रेक आगे लगा होता है.
ब्रेक का इंजन से कोई ताल्लुक नहीं. ब्रेक pedal is here, so the brake fluid is here. This is the clutch oil. This is the brake oil. This is all here, right here. You can take it back, do the piping and the plumbing, and you can take it away.
Let's open the boot now and see what we have. It's like a small thing that has everything that you...
Absolutely.
Okay, this is the issue. यहाँ पे क्या रखेंगे? सिर्फ अपनी मेरी वाइफ है नहीं, लेकिन अगर हुई तो उसका मेकअप किट आ सकता है.
अच्छा, हम जब
देखिए इसलिए मैं कहता हूँ ये लड़की.
I have a wife. So when we go out, my wife's purse can come in here, and other small stuff can come in here.
Exactly.
Little shopping bags can come in here.
That's why I'm saying this is a woman's car.
Yeah. You can't carry a suitcase. Let's put it this way.
Definitely not.
And if you're going to play golf, you have to go alone.
Oh,
the passenger seat takes the golf bag.
Exactly. So you can't take a chick with you then.
I'm touching 100. The car is going. It's literally going with the air. Air resistance गाड़ी की अजीब है क्योंकि एक तो convertible भी है, तो I'm finding it very hard to control the car. But at the end of the day, the car is powerful. I'm touching 130.
These tires were basically, I had to have them called in.
Okay.
I couldn't get as low profile and as wide tires as I wanted for racing. There's a race coming up, so I intend to be racing this car in that. Okay. We have these autocrosses which you're aware of.
Yeah.
So next time an autocross comes up, there's going to be racing in the autocross.
What category? क्या मतलब drag?
It's going to be in this. No, autocross में तो plain racing होती है. You have pilots and you have you have a track set up and you race on the track. I was telling you.
So why would you race this? In which category would you race this in?
This would come into the smallest category.
Okay.
So although there'd be cars up to 1300cc which are twice the engine capacity.
Yeah.
But this car has the handling ability.
Does it?
So if you can put in skill behind, because it's mid-engine.
Yeah, mid-engine.
So it can handle better than a front-engine car.
Yeah.
If I can put some skill behind that handling ability, I'll make up for that lack of speed.
You can put your rally skills in this, obviously.
We've been racing
Do
for
they help,
20
by the way?
years. Oh yes. I've been
Rally
racing
skills
for
on the
20
road
years.
help. Yeah.
Actually, our rally skills came in lot after we started doing these autocrosses in the late 80s and the early 90s on Tosif's track in Garo, and that's where we actually started racing and took the road rage off and put them on tracks.
I think that's very necessary. Acha, is there anything else that, obviously one big thing that, acha, is it a manual convertible?
It is.
you
It
have to
actually
pick it up.
it just takes you 2 seconds to pick it up.
Oh.
You'll open the door and you lock it. And you lock this in.
Wow, that's amazing. See,
done.
this is what the deal is.
And now if I want to take the hood off, I just unlock this.
बस एक ही है, दो हैं, दोनों
Door
साइड
clamps.
हाँ.
So it takes barely 10 seconds to put it up.
Great.
Or 10 seconds to take it off.
That's amazing. बात ये है कि अभी तो खैर बड़ी धूप है, लेकिन अगर शाम का वक्त हो and you're out in this car, it would be a lot of fun.
Interior is very ordinary, like I said, nothing. इस गाड़ी में कुछ extraordinary नहीं है. बात यही है कि it's a very like an everyday car, and yet it has everything that you need, all the looks and all the. सबसे बड़ी बात है कि इसमें जो engine parts हैं वो सारे Formula 1 स्टाइल से बने हुए हैं, मतलब डले हुए हैं.
क्या क्या है अंदर क्या? Let's talk about the
It's got an amazing AC.
अच्छा.
I don't know how such a small AC or such a small engine with a rag top, which generally needs more cooling ability, manages to cool the way it does.
Yeah.
Maybe a two-seater helps. It's got a fairly good stereo. Some of the buttons were stolen away at custom when it landed in
Oh
Pakistan.
damn! ये तो यहाँ पे पता ही है, you're not the first person saying this by the way on my show. All custom officers watching, ये क्या होता है? ये गाड़ियाँ आती हैं, उनकी चीज़ें निकाल ली जाती हैं, अच्छी गाड़ियाँ आती हैं, उनकी सामान मतलब please, it's Pakistan यार.
And I'm having a problem finding this place.
Obviously, you can't
so I'm
see
going to
it.
have to put in a new stereo.
Okay, now what I want to really come to at is, the question has been, it's been in my mind for a very long time. Why, if this car is so good and it's so successful and it's so, all that, why is it that only about 30,000 came in production and they only produced for 3 years? Why did they discontinue the car?
I
What
told
was
you
the
this
issue?
was basically a test run. Honda pulled out of F1 in the late 90s, if you remember.
But this is a production car.
So this was basically a transfer case of their F1 technology onto the road. And then there was
but
this,
the technology wasn't a fail, isn't it?
It wasn't. But they pulled out of that entire line of business altogether, backing up that F1 team. Car, other than the F1 technology, was the taxes in Japan on the car series. Like you asked me about the Cappuccino, and you see a lot of these mini Pajeros here, and there were a lot of cars which were in the 500 to 700cc bracket because there was a tax break in Japan available. That tax break was pulled away. This car was discontinued, and its successor was brought in as the S2000.
Oh right.
So,
but I don't know.
S2000
के तो S500, S600 and S800 थी predecessor थे. I don't know if
No, that was absolutely. I
in the
got one.
1960s.
I actually got one in the late 80s.
Really?
I got an S600 in the late 80s. I found an old red convertible one, which is about 25 years ago.
Okay.
And I actually pulled one off somewhere. It was beautiful. So these cars are successors of that series. But the S2000 and the S800 had a huge time gap in between.
Yeah, did it?
That's where this car came in. This car came in the early 90s, and in the late 90s, they came out to the S2000.
S2000 came in 2000.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So, you've had, by the way, everybody watching, if you guys have a red convertible, please contact Mr. Ghazanfar Agha, he's bad off. You've had the privilege of driving this car all the time, and but it's my show. And it's my
You can drive it.
So,
and
I'm
you can
going to
have
take
fun.
this little monster. Like I said, size does not matter. Size does matter. Size does not matter. Look at the car and let's see what it can do. And what we are going to do is that Ghazanfar Agha is going to sit with me and we're going to take a drive. Let's go for it.